So now that we've completed the fusion splicing on the tail end of our underwater cable for the fiber optic, we've connected it to the fiber optic bulkhead. This is the M10 and it fits inside the Blue Robotics ROV, and you have an O-ring here. That's important. Without the O-ring it's going to flood. If you're not using the fiber optic connector, you have to make sure that you use the plug to maintain integrity on your bulkhead. There's an O-ring on the other side over here. Now it is spotted, but there's no actual certification for depth rating for the bulkhead. So make sure that you never leave it open end when you put it in the water. Now just connecting the fiber optic cable, and we have our surface fiber optic modem over here, which is powered on. And if we looking for this light, green light, to open to show us the link, this is the subsea module, same configuration. So we're just gonna plug the bulkhead side, now plug the cable side, and you see the link instantly comes on for both modem. Now what we can do here is I'm rotating, so you just look at the link and look at me rotating at the same time. Yeah, so I'm rotating to make sure that we don't lose the link, and I'm bending and everything, and the link appears to be intact. So that's quality check number 1.